वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। माइंड पोर्टल के क्यूज वीडियो में हम जो आज क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ये आपके अपकमिंग बीपीएससी एमडीओ माइनिंग एग्जाम 2025 के लिए हेल्पफुल है। तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले। ऑल्सो बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर ले फॉर अपकमिंग क्यूज वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन। What is the name of the plant recently planted by the Prime Minister on World Environment Day? Option 1 Tulsi, Option 2 Neem, Option 3 Sindoor, and Option 4 Banyan. And the correct answer is Option 3 Sindoor. Which country is the host of 12th BRIC Parliamentary Forum in 2026? Option 1 South Africa, Option 2 Russia, Option 3 India, and Option 4 China. And the correct answer is Option 3 India. Which ministry launched the Bharatiya Bhashan Anubhag to promote Indian language in administration? Option 1 Ministry of Culture, Option 2 Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Option 3 Ministry of Home Affairs, and Option 4 Ministry of Panchayati Raj. And the correct answer is Option 3 Ministry of Home Affairs. Piyush Chawla, who recently announced his retirement, is associated with which sports? Option 1 Football, Option 2 Hockey, Option 3 Basketball, and Option 4 Cricket. And the correct answer is Option 4 Cricket. According to the World Bank, what is the projected economic growth of India for financial year 2025 to 26? Option 1 5.8%, Option 2 6.1%, Option 3 6.3%, and Option 4 7.1%. And the correct answer is Option 3 6.3%. Which district of Bihar shares its borders with West Bengal and Nepal? Option 1 Purnia, Option 2 Katihar, Option 3 Kishanganj, and Option 4 Siwan. And the correct answer is Option 3 Kishanganj. What is the highest of Someshwar Fort, the highest hill of Bihar? Option 1 1166 meter, Option 2 1250 meter, Option 3 609.3 meter, and Option 4 879.4 meter. And the correct answer is Option 4 879.4 meter. At which place Bihar's first floating power plant will be constructed? Option 1 Gaya, Option 2 Patna, Option 3 Darbhanga, and Option 4 Bhagalpur. And the correct answer is Option 3 Darbhanga. Identify the incorrect from the given option. Option 1 Leathercraft Muzaffarpur, Option 2 Stone and Woodcraft Gaya, Option 3 Jute Craft Patna and Katihar, and Option 4 Leg Bangles Samastipur. And the correct answer is Option 4 Leg Bangles Samastipur. Which place does Buddha visit first after leaving his home? Option 1 Zivika Maravana Monastery, Option 2 Nalanda University, Option 3 Alarkalam Ashram, and Option 4 Sarnath. And the correct answer is Option 3 Alarkalam Ashram. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे बीपीएससी एमडीओ माइनिंग एग्जाम 2025 के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल है। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एंड टेस्ट सीरीज का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस परचेज कर सकते हैं।